To enable and use Assistive Ball in Honor 600, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to navigate into accessibility features, and then you'll be able to find Assistive Ball. You can enable it with this switch, and that way you'll be able to find this ball floating around the screen. You can then use it with all kinds of different actions. First one is tap. So if you single time tap on this ball, in this case it will go back, but you can go for any of the options from this list. There's also a double tap, and you can also assign whichever action you want it to have. Then there's touch and hold. You just need to touch and hold it, and then it will perform what it should right here. And lastly, there's hold and swipe horizontally. So you need to perform this swipe like this to open, for example, recent task. Then there's the option for display, and you can change how transparent this ball should be. You can auto hide it in full screen. That means when you're watching a video, then it will be automatically hidden during it. You can also snap it to the edge, so it's always hidden on the side of the screen. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.